going on, everyone? Today's May 18, 2023. Here to talk about Microsoft because it came and has hit our price target. So it's time for us to come back in and actually review the market in Microsoft and see, okay, what's next? What can we expect to occur in the market for Microsoft? So let's talk about it real quick. You guys can see that this price prediction has been on our chart for a couple of weeks. March 31st or April the 1st was the first time we did a price prediction in Microsoft. You guys can go back and check out all the videos concerning these price predictions in my playlist. Now, we didn't change it. We've maintained our idea that Microsoft is going to continue to go higher since that time. And here it is today. We're actually up here at our ultimate TP price in Microsoft. So what I'm going to do first is actually take this off. That's 8.96% profit right there. It's just that simple. Let's take it away. Now, as a lot of people on YouTube has been pumping these stocks previously in 2021 and 2022, they have actually missed so many other stocks that has gone higher for the first half of 2023, all because of the notion that they push that they want you to hold these stocks for the long term. Microsoft, Apple, Meta has all seen fantastic gains. Nvidia has all seen fantastic gains the first half of this year, but they're not creating these videos like they were back in 2021, 2022. A lot of the meme stocks that they was pushing is not doing that. That's why it's very important that we focus on charts, period. That's the only thing that I push on my channel, is because this is more important. Discount cash flow model is not important. Fundamental analysis is not important. What's more important is us trying to figure out, okay, where is the money flowing? Where is it going? Because money is not meant to be still. Money is meant to move, is meant to flow. And when it moves, the chart tells you where the money is going. So while a lot of the meme stocks that these YouTubers have pushed in 2021 and 2022, while those stocks are no longer moving, they're dead, they crashed, they're down 90%. These other stocks is where the money actually went. That's why you always want to look at where the money is going. And you only can tell that off of the price chart. Fundamental analysis cannot give you a visual depiction as to how money is moving. Only charts. So we're still bullish in the market in Microsoft. Like, why would we want to come in and say, okay, we may have hit a top into the market in Microsoft, when clearly this stock is completely bullish? It's still bullish. Now, this may just be an opportunity to play with your mentality into thinking that the stock market is not that weak. You have a couple of stocks within the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ that has done extremely well to make you think that, man, everyone is telling me with the inflation and the debt ceiling and the war that's going on in Ukraine, like everything should be terrible and bad and a crash. You listen to a lot of these pundits on mainstream media. They're trying to fear-mongering you into thinking that the market's going to crash, and yet and still it continues to go up. Don't fall for the tricks, because the name of the game is actually to take your money that's in your pocket to put it in theirs. That's the name of the game. And it's vice versa. We're trying to take the money that's in their pockets and put it in ours. There's no friends in the markets. You're just trying to make money. So let me show you all what we got on the chart real quick in Microsoft. Okay, so here it is on the 2-day chart. And again, we're still looking for price to go up. My only concern is we are nearing some areas that we may want to start pausing into how bullish we can be. Okay, that's it. 320 is still a logical area for us to see selling, and it may be the top of this current move. Okay, that's it on the 3-day. Here's Microsoft on the 5. I do like the 5-day chart, especially in the next 8 hours and 51 minutes. We see the market close on the high end of the bar right there. Okay, so in the next 8 hours and 51 minutes, if we see the market close up there in the high in Microsoft, we're going to be bullish still. Okay. Take a look at this. This is on the 2 weeks. This 2 weekly price bar is letting me know that we could possibly see Microsoft come and near all-time highs of 336 within the next 5 weeks. I mean, the next 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. Look at that last completed 3 weekly price bar. Charts don't lie. Take a look at this. These indicators is here for a reason, and it's telling us that the market is moving. This is on 3 weeks. We have 3 push to go up indicators letting us know on a 3 weekly chart that Microsoft is bullish. See, don't get swayed. Money doesn't lie. Charts don't lie. Now, it doesn't mean that we won't see price come down though, right? Because after this indicator was created, the next 3 weeks price in Microsoft came down. So be prepared for volatility. But generally the trend is still intact. People are still looking for Microsoft to go up. And it may even make all-time highs. Okay. Look at this on the 5 weekly chart. We have one more day left, but again, we're still bullish. Okay, so I'm actually done. Our newest price prediction is still going to be for Microsoft to go up. Nothing has changed. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Okay, and now our newest area of support for Microsoft, i.e., meaning we're going to continue to look for price to go higher. It's going to be like $292.50. So as long as Microsoft price holds that level as support, as long as I see buyers hold this price level, then I know that the market is still inching to go up. Okay. Now the first target, it is going to be like $318. That's only 1.3%. It's not a lot, but I can see it. And I want you all to be prepared and see these things as well, that this could be a point to where sellers in Microsoft will begin their campaign to try to push down the price. You can see it right here. The buyers were once back in 2021 held support in Microsoft. They may now be sellers. So that's going to have to be our first target. My second one though, it's going to be around 328.50, give or take. That's 4.64% there. Okay, you guys can see in the magnifier. And then my third target is going to be around $335.25. 6.81%, $335 there. And it's just that simple. Now, the market is bullish, but it's not bullish to the point to where price is going to swiftly break out and go up. Like, I don't see that in Microsoft. It's going to be a slow and methodical time period for us to see that market move to that level. That's all I'm saying. So don't be, nervous and say, well, it's been 5 weeks. Of course, like, Microsoft is not a market that actually moves vigorously on a day-to-day basis. It inches because a lot of pensions, a lot of 401ks, a lot of hedge fund holds this stock. So that's why the price action doesn't move as much as some other stocks in the space. But yeah, looks pretty good. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.